This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Get fucked!
Jesus, in the name of Jesus Christ.
Fucking dumbass, bro! Oh.
Don't worry, it's all on camera. Don't worry, it's all on camera.
You see Carrie, and she's wearing this silver dress with
go. Time to go.
Always said there was an Epstein client list. Who was that?
The DOJ may be releasing the list of Jeffrey Epstein's clients? Will that really happen?
It's sitting on my desk right now to review.
Oh yeah, the Attorney General of the United States said the client list was on her desk. Let me guess, your desk also hung itself? Pam Bondi was supposed to release the pedophile list. If we wanted an Attorney General to cover up sex crimes, we would have stuck maggots, okay? At this point, it's like the only way we can learn about who is a certified pedophile is if Kendrick Lamar makes a song about it. Look, I don't know what to believe anymore. Okay, can you just declassify something?
The Justice Department also releasing more than 10 hours of purported footage, which they say supports medical examiners finding Epstein died by suicide while in custody in 2019. The video allegedly shows the view from across Epstein's cell door in a Manhattan prison, indicating no one entered the area the night he died.